And here you have the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra in Stormtrooper white. It's really good looking. And I love the new design, and the color scheme is really nice. Here you have the new redesigned dock, also Stormtrooper black and white. I really love this color and I really love the redesign. So here you have your fresh dustbin. You can easily remove it and automatically close, and then you put your fresh one like this. Also redesign the clean water and the wastewater. I really love the redesign. We'll compare in a dedicated video the S7 Max V Ultra with this S8 Pro Ultra. Handle design has been really improved and it's much easier to lift it up. I really like it. Then you can just open like this, put the fresh water and dump the wastewater. By the way, it was my biggest gripe of the S7 Max V Ultra, that the design wasn't really nice. Then you have to mount the ramp here on the front, just like this, and put your robot into charging. So let's make the first setup and then get it started. And here's your first look at this really nice Roborock S8 Pro Ultra. And I must say that at first look I really dig the white and black Stormtrooper look. I think it looks amazing and even better than the black version. So we have filled the clean water tank. And this is the clean water here. So without any further ado, let's see the settings and let's start the clean for the first impression. Okay, so Roborock app S8 Pro Ultra. So this is my map, really precise. Must say that I already made the quick mapping, it worked really well. And very precise, the L-shaped couch and so on. These are my favorite settings for the test. Maximum suction power, maximum scrub intensity and standard route. So as you can see, battery level 100%, and let's go. So as you can see, the first thing that it does is to go backward in the dock to clean the mop. It will use the clean water to clean the mopping pad with the brush in the dock. But as you can see, it's pretty silent and also fast as well. You will hear some water sounds like this. Okay, here we go. As you can see, it's pretty reactive. As you can see, no problem with the curtain. They are always a problem for the robot, but not for this one. No problem with the chair, it just goes around the legs. Okay, now after 20 minutes we'll go back to the station to clean the mops, and it will take a couple of minutes.
Starting to wash the mop.
If you want, in the dock settings you can fully customize how many times it goes to the dock to clean it, and how you want to wash the mop, and many other features. So we are back in business, mop cleaned. Now it's going on the carpet, and as you can see, probably lifted the mop. You saw that, lifted the mop. Because the mop can be lifted, now it's down, but as soon as it goes on the carpet, it lifts the mop and goes to the maximum to the suction power. Okay, now it's turning back and going the carpet. Look at this, perfect. It lifted the mop and it's going maximum suction power on the carpet, which is really nice because robots like Ecovacs don't do that. If they have the mop installed, they just don't go on the carpets, which is very unfortunate in my opinion. So here we go in the kitchen. We prepared a nice surprise for the robot. Some coffee and some bread. Let's see the dual brush system, how well does it work. Pretty well done, no bread remaining, just a cup of coffee that was thrown away, but really well done. Here it goes for the last part of coffee, and that's it. Now let's go a little bit lower. As you can see or hear, the noise is much more reduced. What I really like is that the mop goes almost all the way toward the wall, while the Ecovacs with the spinning mops doesn't do that. Which, by the way, has double the vibrating motors than the previous S7 Max V Ultra, and in my opinion it worked well, but this one works even better. Okay, now it's going again to wash the mops. So here we made a really nice street with all the baby toys. So let's see how obstacle avoidance and 3D navigation work. If it will crash them or if it will follow the street really nice and smooth. And now finally the master bedroom. So the cleaning finished. We have 57 square meter, 43% battery left, which is really nice for 75 minutes.